I'm still, yeah, lighting is better. Hi vlog. So I'm in the south of Johannesburg. We're at Taba Trails with my aunt. She's in the car, and that's where we're gonna book our tickets and all of that. So I've never really vlogged myself like hiking. I hope this is gonna be a good vlog, good angles, good shots, good energy, and yeah.
In the 97 Benz, sit with the fire truck red, smoking while I cruise through the labs. Looks like we don't give a shit. 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 Looks like we don't give a shit.
Yeah, I ain't got no skeletons in my luxury walk-in. They ain't know I'm innocent, baby, look who is talking. They ain't even ready, spaghetti, baby, they sauceless. Speeding through the city, we medicated these horses. You could hit up Peter, the paint on me made me gorgeous. I'ma take the geese and chinchilla coat on a walk-in. Don't forget the cheetah, Prince Peter, come here, record it. If that shit ain't pleading and screaming, I do not want it. Pull up in the 97 Benz, sexy with that fire truck red, smoking while I cruise through the valley. Looks like we don't give up. Looks like we don't give a shit. Looks like we don't give a shit.
Hello. As you can tell, I'm out of breath, but we are doing 10 kilometers and I think we are halfway through the trail, and we are at Taba hiking trail. We are at Taba hiking trail. It's in the south. Yeah, it's in Taba Eco Village, which is based in the south of Johannesburg, and we're having our water break. Like, we are tired, but yeah, I'll just continue vlogging the rest of my day, and I'll see you guys later on in the vlog.
Fight me in threads, and a tweet that I'ma probably still stand by. Keep your money funky, cause I don't play about the. They gon' buy it, they gon' pipe it, they gon' play it, they consume it. If you're scooting, let me know, cause that's a comment, that's a view, and that's a rate, and that's some hit, and that's engagement. I can use it, I can teach y'all how to do this, but I'd much rather be cruising. Watch me pull up in that 97 Benz, sexy with that fire truck red, smoking while I cruise through the valley. Looks like we don't give a shit. Looks like we don't give a shit. Looks like we don't give a shit. Yeah. Looks like we don't give a shit. Looks like we don't give a shit.
I thought it was all over.
What's up, Dochi? Hey, girl. You know, it's been a little minute since you and I have had a chat.
Has it really?
Probably since, like, your last EP, All the Places You're Going.
Oh, wow. It's been a minute.
Hi guys, so we are done with our hiking trail and we are at just starting to probably get brunch, yeah, because we haven't had any good food since. And the scenery here is actually good, like we just here to cool down and just gonna do the end of the vlog, like
And I didn't know about soon. I opened up the messages and had to hit the Zoom. Turns out the girl was really a dude. Nigga think he slick back till I slip back. Got my lick back, turned a nigga to a knick-knack. I moved on, dropped a couple of songs, and then I went and got signed. Now it's 2021.
Okay, I just feel like this is the perfect opportunity for us to just take a second and kind of unpack what's happened to you. You know, this guy cheated on you and...
Nah, fuck it. Platinum record this, Bible record that. I'm making so much money, I'm all over the net. I'm moving so fast, no time to process. And no, I'm not in the game, but I'm always on set. Wristwatch, drip, drop, label want the TikToks. Now I'm making TikTok music, what the fuck? I need a cleanse, need a detox, but we ain't got time to stop. The charts need us. Fast forward me, 2023. I'm stacking lots of cheese and making money. My grass is really green and honestly, I can't even fucking cap no more. This is a really dark time for me. I'm going through a lot.
By a lot, you mean drugs?
I wouldn't.
Drugs?
No, it's a natural point.
No, I'm not judging.
I'm not an addict.
I'm just saying.
I don't
You
think.
want to talk about it?
I mean, fuck. I like pills. I like drugs. I like getting money. I like strippers. I like to fuck. I like day drinking and day parties in Hollywood. I like doing Hollywood shit. Snorted probably would. What can I say? The shit works. It feels good. And my self-worth at an all-time low. And just when it couldn't get worse, my ex crashed my place and destroyed all I owned. Whoopsie, made a oopsie. $100,000 oops made me loopy. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Don't wanna have to turn a nigga guts into soupy.
Whoa. Okay, Dochi. We don't want to revert back into our old ways. So we're going to try a breathing exercise, okay?
All right,
when I breathe, you breathe. All right? Let's go.
everywhere, koki yang, so it's like everything. Opinions or comments on the hike. Oh yeah. Feedback on the hike, man. The hike was fun, but like it was a bit difficult like from time to time, but I had fun. I got to catch up with my favorite aunt, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time in the next vlog.
Was young and we knew we couldn't rush, but whenever I got lonely or needed